The 2025 Honda Pilot is here, and it's making a statement in the SUV world. Honda has built a reputation for reliability, and the Pilot is no exception. This latest model combines power, space, and advanced technology to create a well-rounded, family-friendly SUV. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Pilot is powered by a 3.5-litre V6 engine, producing 285 horsepower and 262 Nm of torque. This robust engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission for smoother gear shifts and better fuel efficiency. Expect an estimated 23 mpg combined, making it competitive in its class. Performance-wise, the Pilot delivers a balanced ride. Its all-wheel drive system enhances traction, making it capable on different terrains. The SUV suspension system absorbs road imperfections, providing a comfortable ride. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating city streets, the Pilot remains composed. Inside, the Pilot offers an expansive cabin with seating for up to 8 passengers. The second-row seats can slide and recline for added comfort, and the third row, while more suited for children, provides extra seating when needed. High-quality materials and a modern design enhance the interior's appeal. Technology is a highlight of the 2025 Pilot. The SUV features a standard 10.2-inch digital driver display and a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are wireless, ensuring seamless connectivity. A premium 12-speaker Bose audio system is available for an immersive sound experience. Safety is a priority, and the Pilot is equipped with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced safety features. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and traffic sign recognition. The Pilot also boasts blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, enhancing overall safety. Cargo space is another strong point. With all seats in use, the Pilot offers 18.6 cubic feet of cargo room. Folding the third-row seats expands the space to 48.5 cubic feet. And with both the second and third rows folded, the SUV provides an impressive 87 cubic feet. This makes it ideal for road trips and transporting large items. Towing capacity is respectable, with a maximum of 5,000 pounds when properly equipped. Whether you're towing a boat or a trailer, the Pilot handles the task with ease. The SUV also features trailer stability assist to enhance towing safety. Honda has also focused on convenience, equipping the Pilot with features such as a hands-free power liftgate, tri-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof. Wireless charging and multiple USB ports ensure all passengers stay connected on the go. Compared to competitors like the Toyota Highlander and Ford Explorer, the Pilot stands out with its spacious cabin and family-friendly features. While it may not be the most rugged off-roader, it excels as a daily driver with excellent comfort and practicality. The exterior design of the 2025 Pilot is bold yet refined. A larger front grille, LED headlights, and sculpted lines give it a strong presence on the road. The available black edition adds a more aggressive look with blacked-out trim and wheels. In terms of driving dynamics, the Pilot provides precise steering and stable handling. The transmission shifts smoothly, and acceleration is responsive. The available drive modes, normal, snow, sand and tow, help adapt to various driving conditions. For those seeking luxury, the Elite trim offers ventilated front seats, leather upholstery, and a head-up display. The Trail Sport trim, on the other hand, enhances off-road capabilities with increased ground clearance, all-terrain tyres, and underbody skid plates. Long-term reliability is a key advantage of the Honda Pilot. Honda's reputation for building durable vehicles means you can expect this SUV to hold its value well over time. Resale value and cost of ownership make it a smart investment. Overall, the 2025 Honda Pilot is a well-rounded SUV with strong performance, a spacious interior, and advanced technology. It's an excellent choice for families and individuals who need a versatile and reliable vehicle. If you're looking for an SUV that balances comfort, power, and safety, the Pilot is worth serious consideration. Let me know what you think about the 2025 Honda Pilot in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, Don't forget to check out my other car reviews for the latest insights into the best SUVs on the market.